Time, light, the jab, and mitochondrial hypoxia. Time theft is irreplaceable nature, which directly extend to how light impacts mitochondrial function at the mtDNA level, where ultra-weak photon emission UPEs are generated in mammals. Mitochondria rely on circadian time to optimize energy transformation via the electron transport chain (ETC). Using sunlight to drive photobioelectric current, sunlight rich in red and near infrared wavelengths 600 to 1000 nanometer penetrates tissue and enhances cytochrome C oxidase, activate boosting ATP production and reducing reactive oxygen species ROS. This process is disrupted by hypoxia at the mtDNA level, where UPE spectra shift, often narrowing and weakening, mimicking the current solar cycle, and the manifest in us as a chronic disease. Light stress caused all 5 extinction events on Earth because it led to metabolic stress in living things they could not adapt to fast enough. Artificial light like LEDs, lack of full spectrum of sunlight, particularly red or infrared wavelengths, emits high level of blue light 400 to 500 nanometer. Blue light inhibits CCO, cytochrome C oxidase (CCO), by increasing ROS, reactive oxygen species, leading to hypoxia and mitochondrial dysfunction. Heteroplasmy, this subtract time from our lifespan by accelerating cellular aging, disrupted circadian rhythm, e.g., via melanopsin activation in the retina. Okay, desynchronize the suprachiasmatic nucleus, impairing mitochondrial energy production over time. This manifests as chronic disease, diabetes, autoimmunity, or turbo cancer because energy flow, governed by time, is disrupted in the myriad of ways. Here is a lesson of how sunglasses, glasses, IOL, and contacts can murder you rapidly if you have been jabbed.
From now, the reading of Dr. Jack Kruse, in short from. Title of the reading is Photobioelectric Health, Light Polarization and Mitochondrial Function. The article explores how polarized light, mitochondrial semiconduction, and electromagnetic environments impact human biology, particularly focusing on mitochondrial health, hormone function, and disease. Core ideas. 1. Unpolarized versus polarized light. Natural sunlight is unpolarized. Devices like glasses, sunglasses, contacts, or eye surgeries polarize light, disrupting mitochondrial processes. This affects cytochrome C oxidase, CCO, and the production of deuterium-depleted water, DDW, a vital biological heat sink. 2. Biological semiconductors. Mitochondria, DNA, and blood act as semiconductors, emitting ultra-weak photon emissions, UPEs. Disrupted heat sinks, due to dehydration or altered environments, reduce UPE efficiency, leading to disease. 3. Blue light and nnEMF, non-native EMFs. Artificial blue light and electromagnetic fields, Wi-Fi, 5G, are said to damage biological semiconductors. This leads to hormonal disruption, infertility, neurodegeneration, and general metabolic decline. 4. Evolution, circadian rhythms, and cold. Cold and UV light are evolutionary tools that improved mitochondrial health. Circadian cycles are tightly linked to light exposure, influencing repair, regeneration, and sleep. 5. Post-GOE physiology. The Great Oxygenation Event, GOE, triggered evolution of photobioelectric systems to handle rising oxygen and energy demands. Sleep, light absorption, and cellular transparency are part of this evolved system. 6. Sex hormones and extinction response. Stressors like nnEMF and blue light can epigenetically alter hormone balance, increasing female birth ratios in times of environmental stress. This is a survival mechanism seen in historical extinction patterns. 7. Sunglasses and disease. Historical anecdotes suggest that sunglasses may contribute to rising cancer rates by filtering natural light and disrupting photobiology.
8. Mars analogie.
Mars, with its iron oxide-rich surface and energy collapse, is used as a metaphor for human tissues under prolonged exposure to artificial environments. Human deserts mimic the energy loss seen in dying stars and planets.
Tone.
The article is written with intense conviction, emotional language, and with confidence. Dr. Jack Kruse champions a physics and light-based view of health over conventional dietary or pharmaceutical approaches.